Labas. 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 No. Labas. Horses are very curious, so here you can see a pony who came just to check what's going on here. Hello, cutie. But you can see from his ears that he is sort of trying to figure out what's going on here and maybe not feeling that comfortable because he is seeing me only for the third time, I think. With time. Give us time. Happy doggy. Yes. Oh, so cute. Hey. How do you like spending time in this ranch with me? It's only the third time that I'm here, so not only horses need to get used to me, but I need to. We have agreed onto a very beautiful exchange. I am coming here from now on once a week and help out some hours, and she gives me horse riding lessons. I have ridden a horse on a very amateur level, you know, but the first lesson the owner of this place gave me, she saw that I barely knew nothing. And it's also not only riding a horse, but I get to know so much interesting facts and information, even just horses are running around. I still need to be careful, about them. If they suddenly decide something. Ooh! Okay, false alarm. Nothing happened, but as I said, I need to be cautious because I don't know all the rules and all the safety things, yet. Because especially the owner, Alina, her name is, she said that horses are very curious animals and they get even extra curious if they see a person like lying down somewhere, sitting, and they just want to check, So anyway, just wanted to share that I'm so happy that I found this place because maybe some of you are with me from the very, very beginning and you actually know that my YouTube journey started from traveling videos when me and my husband were traveling almost half a year around Europe with Workaway project. And then I found out not only that countryside lifestyle is my dream lifestyle, because at that moment I was still living in a flat in a city, but also that I just simply love having new experiences, meeting new people, learning new stuff. Woo! Spending time outdoors, spending time on manual things and on being with animals, because I wouldn't want to have my own big animals, like horses, goats, or cows, but I really love helping, taking care of them, and just spending time in the company of theirs. It's like a therapy. It's like a gift from Mother Nature that allows us humans to come so close to such majestic, wild spirits. Okay, I'm not gonna be here too long anymore, so I need to get back to work and maybe film some horses for you so you can meet the inhabitants of this beautiful place. You need to go through this thing because you can hear this like chick, chick. Yep, so this is electricity going. So I wouldn't advise you to touch. So here you go, the most of them. 2 ponies, then big ones. I think I have ridden this brown one. Oh gosh, it got stuck. Can you see it? Here. Poor guy. Oh god, it was such a lovely day with such cozy work and very beautiful moments I've captured. And then in the end, I wanted to take some final drone shots and I flew into a tree. I believe that there is a reason behind everything. For example, an invitation to upgrade, that it means that you are ready for more. So I asked myself and universe, what is in here that I needed to learn? So I'm really not sure. And when I will find out, or when it will unfold itself, most probably, I will let you know. Such a beautiful day, even though it's quite cold, and it's even a bit weird because in May it should be usually warm in Lithuania, but a few days ago it was even a little bit snowing, and we still need to light the candles in our greenhouse from time to time because it reaches minus temperatures at the night, so that's really weird. And dear viewers who also have garden, please don't use gloves while you are gardening, because believe me, this is such a earth therapy. I think it's even scientifically proven that soil has a neutral electrostatics something. When we touch the bare earth with our skin, either it is through feet or hands, this is the moment when it can neutralize our energies and balance us. It directly heals us, actually. I also sometimes just feel maybe a bit lazy to wash my hands so much, you know. If it's not like really necessary, I still choose to work with my bare hands. So let me update you on our garden. So here you can see that we planted 2 rows of strawberries. That also my grandma gave me. Oh my god, how can I thank her enough? So here are the peas that I just planted. And here are earlier ones. Oh, just look at them. Lovely little sprouts. And now let's go to the greenhouse. I will show you also the progress in there. It's already cold, so I closed the door. Here it is 16, 17 something. My cucumbers are damaged a bit. I hope that they will recover and that they will survive. Tomatoes begin from here, and then the whole aisle is dedicated for them. Also, here you can see that I planted some flowers, working as a natural repellent for pests, or how to say, for unwanted bugs. The smashed eggshells are also here to protect the plants. And here are radishes. They grow really fast. Some of the veggies haven't sprouted yet. I don't even remember what those ones are. Maybe salads or something. And then onions. They also grow really well. Oh my god! I see a little tomato already. Oh my god! So that's that for now, guys. I will keep you updated about our beautiful garden. Hello, beautiful souls. It is the 10th of May. We have Saturday today, and I am now going for a walk into this very springful forest, as you can hear. Wow, there's so much aliveness in the forest. Can you hear the cuckoo? So today I am all alone at home, and this usually brings this sort of meditative state of being to me. So I can't wait until we have my creative little house in the future somewhere, because then I can be alone whenever I want and to dive into the deepest realms of myself and creativity. And also I thought it's a good time to update you about my drone adventure results. My friend suggested to contact some professional agencies that work with electric wires or, you know, with trimming trees or something. And I did. And this costed me quite a bit, but they took it out. Now my drone is safe. The lesson that I took from it was a lesson of belief. Because immediately when it happened, some doubts kicked in. If I am doing right in my life, if I am walking my own path, you know. And the same day, while I was driving back home, I felt that this is just a challenge to really stay in the trust, in your truth, in your decisions, in yourself, in universe. So I paid some money for this lesson. And I hope that now it really rooted in me. And this comes to telling you, I am now officially announcing that I have created and opened a second channel. So you are all warmly invited into the spiritual abode of Egleya, which will be all about spirituality, growth, deepest layers of our soul and of getting to know the universe. Absolutely, I will not leave this channel. I will just give the appropriate respect for both of the topics of this beautiful daily life that we experience with our human bodies, and then to all the inner realms, to the topics and thoughts and ideas and visuals that really want to burst out of me. I'm really excited. Stay tuned. And from now on, we meet even in 2 places. So see you there. And now I will continue walking and enjoying this beautiful and calm spring day. See you soon.